So we've taken a look at some of the systems in PlayMaker 2 by inspecting some of these sample scenes and games that it comes with. And that's actually what I want to show you next. It's not like everything gets just dumped into your project when you install PlayMaker 2. Instead, if you go up here to PlayMaker and go to Add-ons, we have the Add-ons manager here. And what's cool about this is you can select a category here, like for example, games, and it'll show you all of the games that are sample scenes that are still tucked away nice and neat into a package here in the PlayMaker install. So you're not getting a bunch of assets dumped into folders in your game, and instead you can come to the add-on section to say which of these you want to import. It's really nice because you can come here just to browse to see projects made with PlayMaker, so you can come and inspect the actual FSMs used to make these games and better learn how PlayMaker 2 works and figure out how you might do it in your project. So for example, the Zombie Survivor game, if I select on it, I can scroll down here and it says the features that it has an infinite generated map using terrain chunks, endless enemy waves, with difficulty scaling over time. So you kind of look at that and you think, okay, well, like, are these some things that I could use in my project? Is there something about this sample scene that I can learn from? If you scroll further, it tells you which scenes it comes with. And what's really nice is that in the usages section, it'll even tell you which actions are being used in it. So if you've ever wanted to learn how a certain action works or what instances it could be used in, going to these sample scenes is a great way of doing that because you could see literally every type of action that's used in the entire project. And then similarly, you also just have all the files that are listed in here, any assets like the data tables and definitions and global events and variables, etc., that it comes with. So those are the full games, but there's also sample scenes. With the sample scenes, while some games are included, it also just involves some more abstract scenarios where the scene is built for the sake of teaching you how to use something. For example, the Get Started package has several scenes in it that you could see here teach you how to click an object, do a counter, a hello world example, how to use raycast with your mouse, how to use wait actions, etc. So this is a really good sample scene to poke around in when you're learning because you can actually see how a scene works and functions, and then you can dive into the FSMs that are in the scene itself. This animal match game, similarly, it's a very simple setup, but its purpose is to show you how PlayMaker 2 can be used in the ways that are mentioned here in the features. So this one says use global events to communicate between FSMs, which is a very fundamental thing to know. So this project, while simplistic, is going to be a great way for you to understand how global events work to communicate between FSMs. Among other things, clearly, there's a lot of things that you could poke around in. The Asteroids game, all this stuff is really great to poke around in using the add-ons manager. Besides samples and games, you can also just search actions. PlayMaker comes default with a ton of actions that you can use. But again, not every project has the same requirements. So the add-ons manager is a way to come in and add additional functionality for specific things. Like, not everybody's building a mobile game, but here you have a whole package for actions to talk to an accelerometer, or if you're building an Android game, or if your game has IK controls for the animator. Cinemachine 3 is a really popular tool that people use in their games, but not everybody uses it. If you are, the PlayMaker integration is found in this package here in the add-ons. And many more things: gamepad, gyroscope, a humidity sensor, actions for the nav mesh. These are all packages that include a bunch of actions. So for example, this nav mesh builder, if we come in here to files, it'll show you what actions it actually comes with. So here are all the names of the actions that are included in this package.